Invitation is to synchronize with the rhythm of nature and shift beautifully between the seasons. Set aside anything that is on your mind. Right now, there is nothing you need to do. Set everything aside for this time to connect within. Sitting slightly on the top of your sit bones, your spine is upright in a relaxed way. Shoulders are relaxed, also your face. Eyes are softly closed if it feels alright, or gaze is low. Resting those hands on the thighs or on your lap. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself settle and let go. Begin to feel that stillness. Rest in that stillness. If you can hear any distant sounds, allow yourself to receive them with effortless awareness. Now listen for the sound of your own body breathing. Feel the body breathing itself. Nothing to do, just effortless awareness. Feel that fall has arrived. Visualize the trees are releasing their leaves. Give yourself permission to let go. Picture yourself effortlessly following this fall rhythm of nature, letting go of anything you no longer need, with grace and beauty. Letting go of your busy schedule, making way for some well-earned downtime, without any guilt. Letting go. Knowing that it's perfectly natural to let go right now. Embracing the joy of letting go. The freedom, the lightness. What will you release? A thought? A feeling? A habit? an activity. Not thinking, just feeling into it. What would you like to release? What spontaneously comes to mind first? Feel the lightness of that release. Setting a full intention, say to yourself mentally now, I shift beautifully into the season of letting go. I shift beautifully into the season of letting go. I shift beautifully into the season of letting go. Notice the body breathing itself. Allow your breath to deepen. Feel more awareness of your body and your surroundings. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Say to yourself mentally one more time, I shift beautifully into the season of letting go. Hold that feeling with you. When you are ready, softly open your eyes. If you had them closed, aware of yourself in the room and your intention to shift beautifully into the season of letting go.